Hey Kickstarters, my name is Andrew Woods, founder and CEO of Bendu Armory, home of the first carbon fiber lightsaber. After 2 years of designing, prototyping, and refining, our team of software, mechanical, and chemical engineers set out to do what no one has ever done: create and perfect a carbon fiber lightsaber, the coolest lightsaber in the galaxy. All of our sabers are handcrafted in the United States and made out of aerospace-grade carbon fiber that's stronger and lighter than aluminum. Not only do we want to create the coolest lightsabers, we saw a huge opportunity to add basic quality of life features that current sabers lack. Our sabers come with the brightest Cree LEDs on the market, the richest and loudest bass speakers in the industry, micro USB charging, a massive 3400 milliamp lithium-ion rechargeable battery, and the Nano Biscotti V4, one of the best soundboards on the market. We also offer a lifetime warranty on all of our blades. Our blades are made from ultra-strong polycarbonate tubes that are virtually indestructible. The greatest feature above all is our revolutionary patent-pending quick swap chassis design, which allows you to simply remove the carbon fiber shell and swap it for a different color or totally different current or any future design. Our quick swap chassis is made from 100% ultra-strong nylon, built using the latest in selective laser sintering manufacturing technology. And finally, our carbon fiber sabers are built with fighting in mind and are combat ready. With the carbon fiber hilt, polycarbonate blade, Cerakoted billet aluminum blade holders, our sabers can handle the wear and tear of war. We are confident our carbon fiber lightsabers will make you the coolest nerd on the block, with the quality and design and features that you deserve. All of our prototyping is done and we're ready for mass production. Thank you for backing our Kickstarter.
Remember the old days when you saw a stunning view of the ocean and wondered, what would that look like from underwater? Now you have Novatics Mito to see it for yourself. Before Novatics Mito, if you wanted to record images underwater, you needed a camera, a waterproof housing, and a heap of diving equipment to get into the water. But with Novatics Mito, underwater scenes reveal themselves at a click of a button. So here comes Novatics Mito, an underwater ROV that provides professional-level, stabilized 4K images. And all these crystal clear videos can be achieved without you even getting wet.
To be able to show you these beautiful scenes underwater, Novatics teams has been working really hard.
We first started to make ROV 5 years ago as our college project. Together with a team of passionate and talented engineers, we founded Novatics. And after 2 years of research and development, our first ROV, Novatics Mito, is ready for production.
Novatics Mito has the most advanced stabilization system, a crystal clear 4K camera, 4 specially designed powerful thrusters, and quick swappable batteries.
Stability is an essential component of achieving excellent underwater imaging. I'm really impressed to see how stable Mito is underwater.
Mito has helped improve my teaching experiences a lot. I can use it to monitor my students better and provide live feedback to them.
Using the latest stabilization algorithm, Novatics Mito will maintain stability for incredibly smooth footage, even in strong current or surge. And if for any reason it slips out of position, Novatics Mito will instantly correct itself. When employing the fully adjustable tilt lock, it can hold its tilting position effortlessly whilst moving freely in the water. The onboard camera can capture the mysterious beauty beneath the waves, recording it in either HD or 4K, and can also take 8 megapixel still photos. You will be in complete control of Novatics Mito as you discover the underwater world. Explore up to 40 meters from the surface through the easy-to-use wireless control, which has a 500-meter range to its waterproof communication buoy. And you can experience the view in real time through the Novatics app on your smartphone. At less than 15 inches and weighing less than 7 pounds, Navatics Mito fits comfortably in your beach bag or the average backpack, so you can capture that amazing underwater view from anywhere you travel. Navatics Mito's 80 WH LiPo battery offers up to a whole 4 hours of running time and can be swapped with spare batteries easily in just seconds. Use Navatics Mito's built-in color correction technology so you always get bright and colorful underwater images.
We need your help to bring our dream alive. The next technological hit is on your hand.
It's that moment when something in your child just clicks.
Hi!
There's an understanding, a discovery. You see their confidence spark,
Yippee!
and the joy they experience.
Uh-oh.
It's that moment where learning comes to life.
Oh!
Meet Botley, the coding robot.
Whee!
Learning resources. Learning is where we play.
You're someone who doesn't need a lot of room. You don't waste space, and you focus only on the essentials. You're a minimalist, and your bag should be as well. At Koala Gear, we reinvent the way bags are used. Because if you change the way you carry, you change the way you live. Meet Leo Backpack and Crossbag. Too many pockets leave wasted space, and zippers are the weakest link on any bag. So we got rid of both. We created a design that is simple and elegant. The shell on both Leos is literally a single piece of water-repellent material. The straps are made from durable webbing that is comfortable and matches the bag's slim appearance. Leo's patent-pending Moonwalk opening is a unique design that is instantly accessible and incredibly satisfying. It also has a foam padded sleeve that works perfectly with the bag's exterior to protect your electronics. Not only that, the shell itself doubles as a comfortable surface for your computer, notes, and sketches. On the inside, both Leos have mesh organizers that keep your essentials exactly where they need to be. Both bags are perfectly designed for those of us looking for the simplest way to navigate through life. Because with the chaos of everyday routine, we all deserve some things that are simple.
This is Jeff. Jeff is wearing Aussie sound glasses. Aussies, however, are not ordinary glasses. Aussies do extraordinary things that help you better engage with the world around you, instead of distracting you from it. Aussie glasses feature a toolless front rim and 3-point locking system that lets you instantly change your visual experience based on your surroundings. The AutoFit system gives you complete control over the fit to give you comfort like you've never felt before, and peace of mind that the glasses will stay firmly in place when you're on the move. Aussie brings a sound experience like nothing else. Using bone conduction technology, you can connect your device via Bluetooth to let you listen to your favorite music, podcast, or friend, while leaving your ears totally open to the outside world. Choose the perfect fit, you can also choose the perfect style. Aussie allows you to swap lenses effortlessly for the perfect look and function. You can also choose between a variety of Zeiss lens options, from blue block to polarized to your own prescription. And with Aussies, you don't have to worry about dust and moisture because every pair of Aussie is splash proof and handles dust like a champ. The patented auto-fit system means that Aussies fit like a glove, no matter how big or how small your head is. They're also built using incredibly high-quality materials like titanium and Zeiss glass.
Hey Siri, where should I get dinner?
Here's what I found.
With Aussies, you never have to worry about missing something from the world around you because they leave your ears completely open to your surroundings. Enjoy music while still being alert to hazards. Play a game or watch a video without feeling closed off from the world around you.
This is 34th Street.
And with Aussies, the customization is endless. When you're finished with the Bluetooth accessory, it comes off, and the glasses become the perfect look of timeless style. Combining comfort, a perfect fit, an unparalleled sound experience, and quality materials, Aussie glasses help you experience your world like never before. We have fully operational prototypes that have been tested to perfection. Your support of this campaign allows us to bring these glasses to the masses and help people interact with the world around them rather than distract them from it.